Christopher's hands are up. Martha's hands are up. William, hands up now. Francisco, hands up. Jonathan, not until I say go. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. 1, 0. Hands folded. No lap. Francisco's hands are folded. They're in his lap. Christopher, hands folded in your lap. Jonathan's hands are folded in his lap. And we're sitting quietly. Sitting quietly. Give your shoelaces, Francisco. All right. Yesterday, we did addition. Jonathan, that is a verbal warning. I said to sit quietly. Yesterday, we did addition. Raise your hand quietly if you can tell me what addition means. Everybody think in your brain, and quietly tell me if you can tell me what addition means. Yolanda? It means put numbers together. Very good, Yolanda. That is addition. Now, I want us to think about subtraction. We did subtraction the other day. So now I want everybody to have their eyes on me, legs crossed, Alexander. Eyes on me up here, and I want everyone to look at this symbol. I see that Alexis is quietly looking at this symbol. I see Freddie is quietly looking up at this symbol. Yolanda is quietly looking up at this symbol. I have all of your names in this bag here. And I'm going to pick out one of your names, and that person is going to tell me what this symbol means. Yolanda, what is this symbol?
Minus.
The symbol is a minus. Very good. And now the next person, Myra, what does minus do? It takes away. Minus takes away. That is subtraction. Very good, Myra. Not time for questions yet, William. Now we're going to work through this problem together. The first number is 3. Everybody raise 3 fingers. Everybody raise 3 fingers. 3 is the big number. I see that Alexis has 3 fingers up. Yolanda, Martha, Alex, 3 fingers up. Myra has 3 fingers up. Jonathan has 3 fingers up. William, Francisco, I want to see 3 fingers.
I make 2.
Hold on.
Take 1 away.
All right. That's a warning for Christopher and Alexander. You're speaking out of turn. All right. So we have 3, and we are going to take away 1. So we put 1 finger down. I want to see everybody putting 1 finger down. And then we count. 1, 2. And so our answer is, raise your hand quietly. Alex? 2. So we write 2 here. Now we're going to say it together. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Very good. Now I want everybody quietly, still with their legs crossed, their hands folded in their lap. Jonathan's hands are folded and his legs are crossed. Freddie's hands are folded. Christopher's legs are crossed. Martha's back is straight. Hands folded in your lap, Alex. We're going to do this problem now, which is a little bit harder. I want everybody to raise 7 fingers, because the big number is 7. I see Freddie has 7 fingers up. I see that Jonathan has 7 fingers up. I see that Martha has 7 fingers up.
Take away 5.
We have 7, and we're going to take away 5. So we take away 1, 6, another, 5, 4, 3, 2. And so the answer is, quietly raise your hand if you know the answer. Christopher? 2. Very good. So we're going to say it together. 7 minus 5 equals 2. I want to hear everyone. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Very good. So that is subtraction. Now we're going to learn about subtraction in word problems. Now a word problem is a math question. And word problems are important because they come up every day of your life. I'm going to tell you another story about me and my brother Anthony. I want everybody still sitting with their legs crisscrossed. applesauce with their hands folded in their lap. Alex's legs are crossed. Myra's legs are crossed. Her back is straight. Alexis's eyes are on me. Freddie's eyes are on me. Christopher, eyes on me. Christopher, follow directions the first time. You lost one ticket. So, a while ago, I went to the park again with my brother Anthony. So we're going to read it together. Mr. C had 3 fish. He gave 2 to Anthony. How many fish does Mr. C have left? So we were fishing. Mr. C had 3 fish. He gave 2 to Anthony. How many fish does Mr. C have left? So I think that we can all think about the answer, but I'm going to show you the steps. So what is the first thing we do? The first thing we do, I'm saying it right now, do not speak out of turn, is we circle the big number. Jonathan, what is our first step?
The first step you need to there.
What is the first step? What did I just do?
You can circle the 2. 3.
I circle the big number, which in this case is, Jonathan?
3.
3, that's right. The second thing I do with subtraction is I draw the problem in the box. That is the second step. Francisco, what is the second step?
The first step is 1.
The first step is to,
3.
but what do I do with the 3?
Circle.
I circle it. That's the first step. What is the second step that I just said?
You draw on that how many are.
I draw on the board how many there are. Very good. So I'm going to draw 3 fish.
And 2.
I'm going to draw 3 fish. The third step is to circle the small number. Christopher, what is the third step?
Circle the small number.
Circle the small number. Very good, Christopher. So, the fourth step then is to put slashes, 2 slashes, because that is the small number, through 2 of the fish. William, what is the next step then? What did I just do?
Take away fish.
I took away 2 fish, so I put slashes through 2 of the fish, and my last step is to count the fish remaining.
1.
Alexis?
1.
It is 1, but what is the last step? What do I do?
2.
What did I just say? Jonathan, you're speaking out of turn. You lost a ticket. I take away 2, and then I count. It's 1. I count the last number, and then my final step is to write the number up in the corner. 1. So I have 1 fish left. Ready? So what was the last thing I did?
Go into it and put 1.
I put 1, and then what did I do? Where did I write the 1? Up in the corner. All right, I still want everybody sitting crisscross applesauce with your back straight, your hands folded, and your eyes on me. Alexis is sitting with his back straight and his eyes on me. Yolanda is sitting with her hands folded and her back straight. Francisco, eyes on me. All right. Now we're going to work through another problem. After this, we're going to be doing our problems on our own in the tables. But I want to make sure that you know how to do them on your own. So we're going to read together. First thing we do is read the question. William had 8 hot Cheetos. He gave 4 to Myra. How many hot Cheetos does William have left? Now I want everybody reading this with me. William had 8 hot Cheetos. He gave 4 to Myra. How many hot Cheetos does William have left? Alright, so who can, well actually we're going to pick the name out of here. Alex, what's my first step?
You need to circle 8.
I need to circle 8. Very good. I circle the big number. And because all of you have been working through these problems so well with me so far, that is a class star. Alright, so the first step, as Alex said, is to circle the number 8. Okay? Now, you've all answered one question. Good. So I'm putting them back. I want everybody still sitting legs crisscross applesauce with your eyes on me and your hands folded. I see that Martha has her hands folded in her lap and her eyes are on me. Same with Christopher. Freddie, what is the next step after I circle the number 8? That's the next number, but that's not the next step. What did we do in the first problem?
You circle 4 and that's 3.
You do know how to answer the problem, but we're going to go through the steps right now. So my first step was to circle the number 8. What is my second step? What do I do?
But 8.
I draw 8 hot Cheetos on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the hot Cheetos.
Oh yeah. How much is it like that?
Yeah? That's how I draw hot Cheetos. I need red though, probably. Alright. Yolanda, what is the next thing I do?
We need to circle the second number.
Circle the second number, which in this case is...
4.
Alex, do not speak out of turn. That is a verbal warning. Yes, Yolanda, the number is 4. Jonathan, what is my next step?
Next step to write. I'll take away 4.
I take away 4. Very good. So I cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, Jonathan.
Last.
Quietly. Alex, what is my last step? What do I do next?
You need to write the number.
I write the number. So how do I find the number?
4.
Yep. What do I do to get 4?
Write the number.
I write the number, but I say 1, 2, 3, 4. I count. And then I write the number. Very good. Now, we know the steps. First, we circle the big number. Second, we draw the big number in the picture. Third, we circle the small number. Fourth, we cross out that many of the big number, and we count, and we write the number in the corner. I want everybody in learning position. Whoever I see to be in the best learning position is going to be dismissed to their tables first. I see that Jonathan is in learning position. I see that Yolanda has her hands crossed and her hands folded and her legs crossed. Alexis has his legs crossed. Freddie, cross your legs now. William, Alex, you can stand up and quietly and slowly walk over to this table